Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Introducing the Dolla silk fabric saree, a luxurious and exquisite fabric that exudes elegance and timeless beauty. Made from the finest quality silk, this saree is guaranteed to make head turn and leave a lasting impression. Crafted with precious and Dolla silk fabric, saree showcases intricate design and pattern that are a true reflection of artistry and craftsmanship. Every thread has been carefully woven to create a masterpiece that is sure to elevate your style and grace. The Dolla silk fabric saree offers a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Its lightweight texture makes it easy to wrap, allowed you to move this easy and confident. Whether it's a formal event or a special occasion, this saree is your go-to choice for a stunning and graceful look. With its rich and vibrant color, the Dolla silk fabric saree brings life and vibrancy to any ensemble, be it a bold red and regal blue or a serene green. This saree will make you stand out from the crowd and make a powerful fashion statement. Designed to be versatile, and Dolla silk fabric saree offer endless styling possibilities. Whether you prefer the traditional look or a modern twist, this saree can be draped in various ways to suit your personal style and preference. It truly is a wardrobe essential that every fashionista should own. Induce yourself in the sheer luxury of the Dolla silk fabric saree and experience the elegance and timeless beauty it brings. Take your style to a whole new levels and make a statement wherever you go. Unveil the beauty of Dolla silk saree and embrace the essence of elegance. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy, then want to stay updated with our latest fashion trend, please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out.